Hindi pa rin sumakot. Ayan. Ayos naman. Si Kuya kasi. Si yung drama. And,
When you like, so welcome again to Charisma.
I would like to welcome
The guys and the ladies there
at the bar.
Welcome to Charisma.
Energetic si Kuya. Huwag sa tawagin. So energetic. I love it.
Again, we'd like to recognize John. Thanks for coming, buddy. And Vaughn in our very good
Yes.
year. You did great.
Tsaka kay parang Bobby.
Oh,
Sa Bobby.
hey bro. Yan, anak, number one fan.
Yan, number one fan natin dito. Araw-araw nandito.
Araw-araw nandito yan.
Minsan nga, mapansin tayo siya. Dito na natutulog yan sa bar. May Bobby pa.
Wala pagbukas. Sabi ka na nga ni Kuya Bong ng susi yan.
Buti nga, di pa sinacharge siya ng ano dito, no? Check-in niya, check-in, saka check-out.
Pero love natin yan si Bobby. Siyempre.
Bobby, best friend. Best friend. Best friend. The best friend ng bayan.
Yes.
So, every day.
Anyways, we are the Black and White Man. I'm Bianca. Wala may speed.
Oo,
Wala may papakilala.
Oo. Gusto mo yan eh, sige. Day mo ngayon, araw.
Lagi na lang ganun. Lagi na lang despedida ko.
Hanggang umabot na yan ng 2010, despedida mo.
O, yung lang magpaalam, baka di matuloy na naman. Okay.
Okay. So,
And before we go on, this is a personal message to Bianca. We really hope to see you
Personal message.
back soon. And we do love you. We enjoy playing our music and your music with us all together. Be good. Get back to your studies and we'll miss you talaga. We will miss you. Kinabutan.
ako hindi. Ako hindi.
Hindi.
Tagal ko nang kasama, sawa na ako dito.
Oh, I will
Pero
miss you.
yeah. Of course.
Okay, so go on.
So go on.
Some love songs for you guys.
Then
Before
we
we go
go
a little faster.
Okay.